Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect our Sony PS5 DualSense Wireless Controller to a Samsung Smart TV. We can use our controller to play games and also control our TV. So let's check it out. First, we have to take our PS5 controller and put this in pairing mode. To do that, press and hold the PS5 logo button and this create button at the same time. This button and this button. Hold them till you see the blue color light blinking around the touchpad. Like this. Now this is in pairing mode. Now take your Samsung Smart TV remote and go to settings. Select this. Then go to general. Then go to external device manager, select this. Then go to input device manager, select this. And select the Bluetooth device list. Here we can find the list of available Bluetooth devices nearby. We can see our DualSense wireless controller here. We just need to pair this. Select this. And choose pair and connect. That's all. Now it's connected. You know it's paired when you can see the white color light here. That means this is paired to the Samsung Smart TV right now. Suppose if your DualSense wireless controller is not showing here, then you can put this in pairing mode once again or refresh and see if it is showing here. And if you are using a different Samsung Smart TV, then the steps might be a bit different. Like you can go to settings, then connection, then Bluetooth devices to do all this. Now we can use our PS5 wireless controller to control our smart TV and almost do everything our TV remote does. And the best thing is we can also play games using this controller on our smart TV. I'm not talking about PlayStation or Xbox games, but the games available on the Samsung Smart TV itself. We can go to apps, select this. And at the bottom, under genre, go to game, and here we can find almost all the popular classic games, small games, but good for time pass. You can select any game you want. Suppose if I want to play this game, I just have to select this, select install, open, new game. And I can use the PS5 controller to play this game. Just a fun time pass game. That's all. If you want to disconnect or unpair your PS5 DualSense wireless controller from your Samsung Smart TV, then you have to go to the same place. Go to settings, general, external device manager, input device manager, Bluetooth device list. Here we can find our connected DualSense wireless controller. Just select that and choose disconnect. That's all. You can select this again to delete this completely. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about connecting PS5 controller with our Samsung Smart TV in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.